Hi guys, welcome to episode 14 of my project mini build. Today I'm going to be getting into finishing the driver's side wheel arch, rear wheel arch, and then making a start on the passenger side. Hopefully I'll get both of them done, because then once that's done I can do the seam sealing, let that dry, and hopefully tomorrow I can start masking up for the stone chip. My aim is to try, so we're Monday today, bank holiday Monday. My aim is to try and get the stone chip on done so I can take it off the A-frame for this weekend. So hopefully it should give me enough time, but I am back to work on Wednesday, so basically it gives me today and tomorrow to try and get the vast majority of it done, with the idea of then either one evening stone chipping it or maybe at the weekend. So fingers crossed. My mini spares order should be here on Thursday, which is a little bit of a shame. I was kind of hoping to have cracked on with some of the stuff that's going to be in the parcel, but I've still got plenty to do, so it's not holding me up. So I will just have to be patient and wait. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will get straight into it. Well, that's it for this episode. Not quite achieved what I wanted. Turned out doing the rear arch on the driver's side was considerably more difficult than I thought it was going to be. I knew it was going to be hard, but it was properly hard. Not entirely happy with the welding, but it's going to be watertight and plenty strong enough. So it's going to have to do, and it's all hidden by the wheel arch, the plastic wheel arch, fortunately. But definitely going to try and do it better on the other side. I'm certainly not going to be taking this side off. It's not bad enough for that. I definitely underestimated how difficult it was going to be. So we'll tidy that up next time. Also found a little rust hole in the inner rear wheel arch, so I'll repair that. Unfortunately, my grind is packed up completely now, so I think I'm just going to have to bite the bullet and buy another one. So that might hold me up, depending on where and when I can get one. So we will see. And thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one.